Hi there, beautiful souls, and welcome to day 41 of our Confidence to Cash 90-Day Sprint. I am so excited to dive into today's topic because it's something that truly lights me up, and I know it's going to resonate with you too. Yesterday, we explored an incredible power of community and how it can transform your business. But today, we're going to talk about conversation even deeper. We're going to talk about something that's absolutely crucial for your long-term success and how to build digital space that genuinely serves others and grows organically because of your authentic service. Whenever I first started my journey in the digital world, I had a vision that I wanted to go way beyond just creating another business. I wanted to build something really more meaningful and a true home for people who they were seeking growth, connection, and transformation. So think about your favorite coffee shop or that friend's house where you always feel welcome. What makes those spaces so special? It's not just the physical environment, it's the feeling that you get when you're there. Your digital community needs to create the same sense of belonging. Your online space, whether it's a Facebook group or your Instagram profile or your LinkedIn page, it's like a digital living room. And the moment that someone steps into it, they get that feeling of who you are and what you're all about. And just like in real life, it's the first impressions that matter. So when your space feels warm, welcoming, and packed with genuine value, people naturally want to stay. They'll lean in, they'll engage, and they'll become part of the community. But if it feels disconnected, confusing, or purely promotional, they're going to quietly slip away and often without ever letting you know why. So what does a truly serving space look like? Well, let's break it down for you. First and foremost, it's crystal clear. Within seconds, the visitors should understand who you help and exactly why you help them. There's no confusion. There's no mixed message. It's purely clarity about your mission and your purpose. Second, it's consistently valuable. Every single piece of content that you share, whether it's a quick post, a detailed video, or even a simple comment, should give your community something that they can actually use, something that makes them live better, easier, and more meaningful. And the third, this is absolutely crucial, it's heart-centered. This means that your space isn't about showcasing how amazing you are. It's about serving your community and understanding their needs and showing up for them consistently. When you create from this place of genuine service, something magical happens. Your community starts growing naturally through the impact, not through chasing algorithms or using growth hacks. People share your content because it truly helps them, not because you ask them to. Now, I want you to take a moment and really think and really look at your digital space. Open up your Facebook group, your LinkedIn page, wherever your platform is that you're currently connecting with your community. And what you're going to do is do a quick, powerful audit. Ask yourself these three essential questions. First, does your space clearly communicate what you do and who you help? Can someone new understand your mission within seconds of arriving? Second, does it feel like a space where people can truly learn and belong? Is it a sense of community connection, or does it feel like a billboard? And third, are you showing up consistently with content that genuinely helps your community, or is your feed filled with promotional posts and sales pitches? If you're answering not yet to any of these questions, please don't feel discouraged. Awareness is always the first step towards your positive change. And what matters is that you're here, ready to create something meaningful. So today, I want you to take action. Spend just 15 minutes updating your digital space. Maybe it's refreshing your bio to better reflect your mission. Maybe it's creating more welcoming banner image, or maybe it's writing a new welcome post that truly speaks to your ideal community members. Remember, your business isn't about products, services, or even content. It's about people. It's about the lives that you touch, the transformations that you facilitate. And the most vibrant and successful communities are built on these three fundamental pillars: love, purpose, and consistency. When you lead with service and when you genuinely put your community's needs first, people feel it, they recognize it, and most importantly, they stay. They not just become followers or customers. They're true advocates for your mission. So here's your 41-day challenge. Day 41, friends. Take 15 minutes today and review and update your digital home. Make at least one meaningful change that aligns to your space more closely to your mission and makes it more welcoming to your community. Don't forget to download Day 41 worksheet below. I've created a step-by-step guide to help you design your space with intention, clarity, and connection. It's a powerful tool that will help you grow your community authentically. I'd love to hear what changes that you do make today. So drop a comment below and share your updates. Let's inspire each other to create spaces that truly serve and transform. And get excited for tomorrow because we're going to dive into something that everyone loves to talk about, multiple streams of income. We'll explore why these are essential for digital creators and how you can start building yours strategically. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Thank you for showing up today, not only for you, but for your family. Keep serving, keep growing, and keep shining your light. And I'll see you tomorrow on day 42.